Astrotometry log. It is Wednesday, February 21st, 2010. It's approximately 1700 UTC. This is a follow-up on the cyclone prediction from this coronal mass ejection that was seen ejecting here in the C2 data feed on February 13th and 14th. And right after I posted this prediction, this forecast, there was a series of coronal mass ejections. This is on the 15th and 16th, and we see here this big ejection here. There was another one here, another one here, and another one here, and then there's this really unusual one that came out from the northern region of the sun. There's another one there, and this was very, very unlikely, considering the fact that we're at in this unusual solar minimum period. This was very unlikely to have happened, but it disturbed the form, it disturbed the structure of this coronal mass ejection that would have been forming a tropical cyclone in the northern hemisphere. And instead, we get another very, very unusual occurrence. Today in the Poconos, in the northern United States, they're predicting a snowstorm with 70-mile-per-hour hurricane-like winds, and up to 15 inches of snow is supposed to be deposited by this storm in some places. So if you were wondering about where this cyclone was, if you check the other videos, you'll find that when there are other ejections like this that happen before the influence of a particular ejection is felt on the Earth, that structure that you would normally see as a cyclone doesn't form. And so that's the situation with this forecast, and I hope there's no one injured in this hurricane snowstorm.